Hey everyone, it's Dave from Dave's Ohio Barbecue. My fine folks over at MEATER sent me this brand new MEATER Plus wireless smart meat thermometer bundle. It's new for this holiday season. I'm going to do an unboxing video right now, but more importantly, I'm going to be giving this away. Stick around to the end of the video and I will tell you how you could win this. If you guys didn't check it out, a couple weeks ago I did a review of the MEATER Wireless Plus thermometer and I loved it. It's small, it's lightweight, it hooks up to your phone. There's absolutely no wires. Like when they say wireless, it is wireless. And it's really cool. I mean, it's a neat little thermometer, does the job well, it was accurate. I really liked it. So the folks at MEATER really liked my review and they sent this away. They said, Dave, we got a brand new bundle coming out. Is there any way you can do an unboxing video and maybe share the bundle with your viewers? So that's what we're going to do. Here's the unboxing video. First off, if you didn't check out my review of the MEATER Wireless Plus, click on the link up here. It'll take you to it. I really liked it. It's a really cool little device. Let's open up the box here and see what we got. First, we've got, the card all about support and where to register products. Very cool. Next, this is the part that everyone cares about here. This is the MEATER Wireless Plus. It's got a little instruction booklet. And then here's the probe itself. Okay, really nice. It's got the blonde wood finish. Batteries and everything are in the back here. It's magnetic, so it sticks to your grill. Actually, this cover's magnetic too. You don't even have to unscrew it. It's got a little battery thing there. I'm going to keep everything together because I'm giving this away. All right. Works really well. Let's see what else is in this package here. Put this back. I don't want to ruin anything. All right, next we've got the bar blade bottle opener, which, if you look there, it's got the MEATER logo on it. That's pretty cool. Turn it around. It's got a little hook for hanging it, for grabbing stuff, and then it's also got a nice little bottle opener right there. Pretty sweet. Really, really hefty. It's kind of heavy. I like it. Kind of sad I'm giving this one away to you guys. Okay, let's dig a little deeper. Here we go. And then we've got the MEATER mitts. Here's some heat-proof gloves. Nice big size. I've got really big hands. Let me see if they fit me. Oh, plenty of room. Got the MEATER logos on them. Really nice. Ooh, thick. Gosh, I could use a pair of these too. I might change my mind about giving this away. So there you have. There is the brand new MEATER wireless thermometer MEATER Plus bundle. Make sure I didn't, oops, there we go. I'm putting it back together incorrectly. That goes there, goes there, that goes there. So how do you win this bundle? Just like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then leave a comment down below. You do all three of those things, and I will, at random, pick a name next Sunday, November 14th, 2021. I will pick someone at random to win this bundle. You should get it before Thanksgiving. It'll be great. So just follow those three steps. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below. Pretty easy. Good luck, and thanks for watching.